We begin just below the Wayawa Ulpotha tank. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary stream, but this gentle flow is no less than the very beginning of the Malwathu Oya. Malwathu Oya is the cradle of Sri Lankan civilization. For over 14 centuries, its waters sustain villages, fields, and knowledge systems. Across the world, great cultures grew beside rivers, the Euphrates, the Tigris, the Indus. Here, in Sri Lanka, it was Malwathu Oya that gave life to a civilization. Our journey continues upstream for nearly 4 kilometers. Even here, the stream is about 15 feet wide, with water flowing year-round. During the rainy season, the flood marks show how powerful this flow can become. We step into the heart of the Digam Patanar forest. No human settlements, only silence. Elephant tracks cross the stream. Fallen trees and sandbanks create a dark, secretive path. Beautiful, yet dangerous. Still, in daylight we press on. In the stillness, the sound of elephants moving through the forest reaches us. Nivantha grows a little uneasy. And here, the stream holds stories of the past. On its southern bank lies an ancient burial ground, silent testimony to early human life. Across on the west bank side, the ruins of a Buddhist monastery still remain. Reminders that this hidden valley once cradled both the living and the spiritual. Here, the waters grow stronger. A small tributary joins the main stream, adding its flow to the journey of the Malwathu Oya.
And you can see this is the very first waterfall, waterfall of the Malwathu Oya. 2 feet side maybe, but of course no one has seen this before. That's the importance of this. And this is a little pool as well. So we are very close by to this Malwathu Oya starting point. For this is Matale district in the central province. So we are very, very close by to move ahead.
Nearly 10-foot walls rise around us. The stream, barely 2 feet across, forces us to cling to the rocks. Another small cascade leads us higher.
I am standing exactly on the place where Malwathu Oya, the river Malwathu begins. The Sri Lankan civilization started with Malwathu Oya, and it was fed by Malwathu Oya. So this is the exact starting point. The fountain water comes from the soil, starts here and goes as a very small tiny stream and making very, very small waterfalls, maybe 3 feet, 2 feet height of. And this is the Digam Patanar jungle. So of course now we are in the border of North Central and the Central provinces. So this is the exact point of Malwathu Oya.